At Dune Doctors, we are coastal restoration experts with over 18 years of experience. We stand ready to partner with you towards a goal of proactive coastal stewardship. Proactive stewardship views the coastline's ecosystem as a valuable asset that must be invested in, respected, and cared for. As coastal restoration experts, we have a history of successful coastal restoration projects that have protected thousands of properties against storm surge. Developing a line of defense for your property prior to a storm is critical to protecting your investment. Increase coastal resiliency. Mitigate storm loss. Every $1 a property owner spends on hurricane protection reduces loss exposure by an average of $105. Natural coast barriers like living shorelines and sand dunes play a vital role in storm surge protection. Onshore dunes are part of a dynamic ecosystem that plays an important role in coastal resistance to wind, water, and human development. When coastal dunes are not properly managed, they will offer no protection against storms. Unhealthy vegetation, inadequate storm surge protection, unaddressed risk management, and a lack of long-term planning are the leading causes of defenseless properties. Contact Dune Doctors for a critical evaluation of the potential risk and failure points which may exist on your dunes. Remember, the rules, regulations, and environmental impact are unique on the coastline and they require specialized expertise. Our exclusive offering is the Dune Master Plan, the long-term vision of what your resiliency efforts should entail. The Dune Master Plan is a roadmap for the protection of your property and investment. The Dune Master Plan is a 4-phase plan. The Dune Master Plan is a comprehensive, flexible, and affordable storm preparation strategy. The Dune Master Plan, offered exclusively by Dune Doctors, is the first step for any one coastal steward who wishes to have a storm-resilient roadmap for their property before the next big storm hits. Dune Doctors, coastal restoration experts. Call today to schedule your free property evaluation. 866-386-3737. DuneDoctors.com.